Good morning, student. Welcome to the online class of English language. We are going to study pronoun. Children, in our previous videos, we have seen what is a pronoun. A pronoun is a word which stands for in place of a noun. So, children, we have seen how many kinds of nouns are there. There are 8 different kinds of noun, and one of them is personal pronoun, which we are going to study today. Personal pronoun is a noun. Personal pronoun stand for a person or an object. Children, let's see on the blackboard. Personal pronoun. They refer to a specific person, object or group of things. I, we, her, them, us, it and she are personal pronoun. Now children, they are in personal pronoun, there are 3 main steps in which we will study pronoun. There are 3 kinds of personal pronouns. First person, second person, third person. First person, second person and third person. When we are talking with the person who is speaking, when we are speaking to a person, we say I, we, me, us. Second person, when the person being spoken to, when the person is being spoken about, we say you. Third person, the person being spoken about, he, she, it, they, him, her and them. So children, over here we have seen that personal pronoun are of 3 kinds. First person, second person and third person. Shall we see in personal pronoun in the form can be used as a subject or as an object in a sentence. Study this table to understand the use of personal pronoun. Children, personal pronoun is divided into subject and object, and in singular and in plural. First we divide it into subject and object, and then we divide it into singular and plural. In the first person, let's see. We'll see in the table personal pronoun in singular form and in plural form. Plural form. And when we are talking in person, and when we are talking in first person, second person, third person. So children, we will see the subject and object in the first person. First person children, we will say I in subject, and in object we will say me. In the second person we will say you, and in object we will say you. Children, in the singular, in person, first person, second person, third person, in the subject we are going to say I, me, second person you, and you in the object. In the third person, children, we will say he, she, and it. For he, it is used him. In the object him. With she, we will use her. And with it, we will use it. Yes, children? Now, we come to plural. First person, second person, third person. In plural, first person we, second person you, third person they. In the object, we is going to be us, and you is going to be you, and they is going to be them. Yes, children? We have understood. In the singular and in the plural, we are going to use first person, second person, third person. With singular, I, object, a subject, and in object, me. Singular, second person, you. In the subject, object, you. Singular in the third person, we are going to use for he, him, she, her, it. Let's see for the plural, children. First person we are going to use it. Second person we, us. Second person you. Third person they, them. So children, we will see as an example in the book personal pronoun. With an example, we will do an exercise with personal pronoun. What is there as an example? Seema is not well. She went to visit the doctor. Seema not well. Seema went to visit the doctor, children. Seema, again, second time, we are not going to say Seema. We are going to say she. Seema is not well. She went to visit the doctor. Second example, the computer is new. Computer is a gift from mother. In a personal pronoun, how we will be write? The computer is new. It is a gift from mother. So children, we have used it as a personal pronoun. So children, we have understood what personal pronoun are. I have given you so many exercises in the book. You can do the exercise in your notebook. Thank you children. We will meet in the next video.